Welcome. I'm Terriell of Terriell Pilates, and this is Pilates Need-to-Know, my series on the basics of Pilates, covering everything you need to know before starting an at-home Pilates program. This video's topic is scooping, navel to spine, or abs in and up. Let's dive in. Of scooping your abdominals in and up is the way most Pilates teachers will cue you to engage your abdominal muscles. During a Pilates class, you'll likely hear your Pilates teacher say scoop or pull in to make sure that you are activating your abdominal muscles correctly. This technique of abdominal engagement focuses on the activation of the transverse abdominis, which is the lateral band of muscles that wraps around the entire waistline. I like to compare the action of scooping to sucking it in, like you have to tie a tight corset around you or zip up a very tight pair of jeans. When you scoop, your waistline will pull in, making it appear smaller. And when you do it, you'll feel your belly button pulling in, and that action will also make your spine appear a little bit taller as well. It's important to note that the action of scooping is only a muscular movement, and it's not meant to change the shape of your spine or your bones at all. When you scoop, be careful not to tuck your pelvis under or flatten out the low back, or to roll your shoulders in and forward or flare your ribs out. Your spine should stay neutral with its natural curves intact. Take some time to practice the scoop, both standing and lying flat on your back to get the feeling. And that's my need to know on the scoop, abs in and up or navel to spine. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave them in the comments box below, and I'll make sure to answer them for you. Thank you for watching my Pilates Need-to-Know series. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like notifications when I post new videos and Pilates workouts, click the link in the description to sign up for my newsletter. This is Terriell from Terriell Pilates signing off. Bye for now.